I've always wanted to visit Dubai. It's a city that's so much talked about in the design world that I need to go there one day. It was very clear for me to expect a city full of skyscrapers. But honestly, I didn't have further expectations. This November, we had the luck to be invited by Isola to exhibit our ceramic objects at a venue during the Dubai Design Week. Going there in the middle of a design week was perfect for us, because it would give us the opportunity not only to know the city, but also to get inspired by the art exhibited around the design district, while sharing moments with other creatives. At first, when arriving to Dubai, like everybody, I got impressed by the overwhelming roads full of well-organized skyscrapers around the city. For anybody interested in architecture and urban city life, definitely the Emirates city is a dream come true. Wherever you look, the city is perfectly shaped and fits for any great photography that makes your friends at home to dream of a visit. Standing out in this sense is of course the Burj Khalifa, as the tallest building in the world, located in the Jumeirah neighborhood. A beautiful modern neighborhood where you can also find the Opera, Dubai Fountain, and not far away the Dubai Mall, with its more than 1 million square meters. It's without a doubt for me what Dubai is known for. Its luxury, glitter, and glamour in all meanings all around. You can clearly see it's a city full of opportunities, but the lifestyle outdoor is definitely not a fit for everybody. Whatever you're looking for, in Dubai you will find it, from high-level gastronomy of every country and fashion to leisure in all ways required for young and old. Although consider that due to the high temperatures during summer, most activities will be indoor. As somebody that loves walking around, I have to tell you that I got a hard time to find my way around the city. Dubai is a car-driven city, where you will need to move from one point to the other by car. This is also stimulated by the amount of private areas that are not accessible for the wider public. I think here about the Palm Jumeirah. This well-known archipelago of artificial islands forming a palm is one of the main attractions to see. Although unfortunately, if you're not located in one of the hotels or houses, you cannot have access to it. You can see it from the view towers for 25 euros, or you can take the monorail to go to the end of the palm, with views from a higher level, but they will be a bit limited. Dubai above has also its small corners that makes you imagine the past of the Middle East. We definitely recommend to visit the Al Fahidi historical neighborhood, that takes you to the past with its traditional buildings, small alleyways, and of course a market where you can find textiles and other gifts, while having a few dining opportunities. The neighborhood is connected with Dubai's Creek, that showcases you a beautiful contrast between old and new, surrounded by this river connected directly to the sea. Last but not least, we finished our trip with the most exciting part for us, visiting the Dubai Design District. As the weather in autumn is a bit calmer in Dubai, all around the district you will find exhibitions, representing artworks mostly inspired by the Middle Eastern lifestyle, showcasing a blend between traditional craftsmanship and habits from the region, to more contemporary approaches reflecting about nowadays society. Would I recommend Dubai for a visit? Definitely yes, if you're looking for a trip where the focus is on indoor shopping and gastronomy. But if you are looking for a trip full of nature, biking and walking around, Dubai is not your city. And Abu Dhabi, which I will speak you about in my next video, will possibly be better for you.